Okay, so we're back again. Let's get to our top dots on this. I'm going to start out with some black, and I'm going to dot these silver ones with the number 15 in this lamp ebony black. On these inner ones here, but let's go to the number 12, and I think I'm gonna just dot warm white on those for right now. And then, still using the number 12, I'm gonna dot on these white ones, and it's every other white, that ocean blue color. Okay, and then on the dark blue ones that are already dark blue, I'm going to put, this Indian turquoise on top of those. And that's still with the number 12. Okay, now I'm going to come in and I'm going to dot on these, which is the light blue color. And this is going to be with the number 6, and I'm going to use that ocean blue, the dark one. Okay, and then I'm going to come in on these two with the number 6. The very bottom, the biggest white dot, I'm going to do on both sides. Going to go to the number 5 and do the next ones down. I'm thinking I'm going to do 3 on this one, and these two. In fact, I could probably dot the top one and then dot the bottom one in one application. Now, I'm going to use that Indian turquoise on these blue ones, these big blue ones right here. So like right there. And we'll go with a halfway decent. The number 6. Okay. And then I'm going to go up to the number 8. And on these I'm going to do the black again on that silver. Now I'm going to go down to the number 7, and I'm going to dot black onto these white ones. Okay, and I'm going to come in with the color white and the number 3, and I'm going to dot on these two lighter blue colors. And now I'm going to dot on the outside blue ones, these dark blue ones, and I'm going to use that turquoise, Indian turquoise. I'm going to do those because I'm going to do several dots, at least a couple. and I want them to have time to dry. So let's go to a number 8. And I'm going to go around with the number 4 on this next row, which I think is the light blue, the lightest blue color. And I'm going to use the darkest blue color, which is the ocean blue. Do a dot on each of those. And then for this row, I'm going to use the number 4 still, and probably, I'm going to do black. I'm going to let the outside edges dry a bit and work towards the center again. I'm going to come in with a number 10 and the brightest blue color, the darkest one. I'm going to use the ocean blue on these black ones. A number 3. And with that same blue, I'm going to dot on these inner black ones, those little teeny tiny ones. And now I'm going to come in with white and the number 8. And I'm going to dot on the ones that got the lighter color on them. So these right here. And I'm also going to take white and top dot on the outside edge, the very most outside edge. Let's go with a number 3. And now I'm going to top dot on those blue ones, these right here, and I'm going to use that blue chiffon color, and still with the number 3. Okay, and then I think I'm going to do blue chiffon on these as well, with the number 7. Now I'm wanting to see. I think I might just leave it at that. This is what we got. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you. And I think this turned out pretty cute. I'll talk to you all tomorrow. See ya.